Hey everyone, welcome to Chapter 8. As you can tell, I'm recording this video one day early due to the fact that I'll be out of town tomorrow. If you have any questions related to last week's material, of course, reference the prior check-in or reach out to me. Chapter 8, I think, is going to be really interesting. We're going to talk about workplace law and ethics. You do have a Chapter 8 review question that is due Sunday by midnight for one post, and then your lecture review questions, which are due, of course, Sunday by end of day. And I say midnight, when I mean midnight, I mean end of day. You have one video that I think is going to be really interesting for you to review. It talks about workplace law and ethics, some of the things we might run into in the workplace and some of the challenges that might exist. So overcoming those, I think, will be pivotal for your future employment and making sure that you're doing the right things to, keep patients safe and then also keep your employer happy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I look forward to hearing from you, and look forward to helping you in whatever way I can. Thanks so much.